Good girl.
Did you see her? Did you see the they're taking the marquee down? That she looked at
Oh, is she?
Oh, you're such a good girl.
Oh, she talks so well. She likes it here.
Those flags are all good, dodgy.
I know.
I shouldn't keep lifting my leg, should I?
She was going to the double, yeah, thinking she was jumping the blue wall.
Yeah.
I was like, Spirit.
I know.
I didn't cut any corners because I thought, Mummy, I didn't cut any corners because I didn't want to.
No, that's fine.
Come on. Oh,
Oh, that's bad luck.
that was Royd, that was.
I nearly knocked that one over. Did you see? She took number 10. She took the most massive swing.